Hello, my name is Jacob Heaton. I'm a pastor in Scotia, Nebraska. It's a small country church. And I want to share a little bit of how I ended up at Chafer. I went to Bible school at Frontier School of the Bible, and it's a wonderful school that is very reasonably priced, and their focus is on giving people a solid Bible foundation and preparing them for ministry. And I really appreciate my foundation there, but from my education there, God was really leading me to further my education. I feel a call on my life to defend the Word of God, especially from a dispensational, free grace perspective. I had a lot of friends that have departed from that theology, and it makes me sad, but it also I think has convicted me for a need there to hopefully be someone that can continue that sound teaching. And so with that being said, I was able to make a series of connections. I've followed the ministry of Dr. Andy Woods for quite some time. I became acquainted with the ministry of Jeremy Thomas and Charlie Clough and Robert Dean and the ministry of Preston City Bible Church with David Roseland, and following all these pastors, and lo and behold, they all are teaching at Chafer. And I didn't know if my credits would be accepted because Frontier School of the Bible was unaccredited, but my credits were able to be approved for that, and I also transferred from another seminary, and those credits were accepted as well. And I've loved my classes so far. I've only taken a couple classes now, but just the personal interaction that you get with the professors and these men that I for so long have looked up to, giving hands-on training to the Word of God is a wonderful blessing, and I'm blessed to be a part of the Chafer family. So thanks for listening.